Waiting for your UCE UNEB results? The suspense is killing you, isn't it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your results via SMS step by step. And trust me, I'll also save you from the common headaches people face while doing this. So stick around. Alright, let's get straight to it. Grab your phone and follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Open your SMS app. Yes, that old app you only use for mobile money messages. Step 2. Type UC space, index number in the format, school code, stroke, student number. For example, UCE space U 885 stroke 8545. Don't copy mine, unless you want to see my results from 1995. Step 3. Send the message to 6600, not 911 please. The Uganda National Exams Board won't send an ambulance for your results. Step 4. Wait for a reply with your results. Try not to scream when they arrive. Okay, so you did everything right, but no results? Relax, let's troubleshoot. Problem 1. Delayed response. UNEB servers get overwhelmed on release day. Give it a few minutes, maybe even take a snack break. 2. Invalid index number error. Double check your number. If it's wrong, UNEB won't guess what you meant. This isn't WhatsApp autocorrect. 3. No reply at all. Ensure you have at least 500 shillings airtime. Yes, results aren't free. UNEB also needs data. 4. Network issues. Move to a different spot. Wave your phone in the air like you're summoning a signal from the ancestors. Another reason the SMS might fail is if UNEB has withheld results for certain schools due to exam malpractice or other reasons. Additionally, the results might not be out yet. So please guys, wait for the official announcement. And lastly, make sure you are using a supported mobile carrier, typically MTN or Airtel Uganda, as of recording this video. And that's it. Easy, right? Well, at least easier than the actual exams. Remember, type UC followed by a space and then the candidate's index number in the format, school code, student number. If this video helped you, hit that like button. And if your results shocked you, don't worry, life goes on. Subscribe for more helpful content. And speaking of helpful content, join our online educational community where we share free PDF resources, including UNEB past papers, notes, and mocks to assist students pass exams. Link is in the description below. See you in the next one.